When high-performance excellence is at your core, you strive to be the best. So in the world of professional drifting, Falken aims beyond winning. It chases dominance. Since the inception of North America's premier drifting series, Team Falken has earned countless wins, thanks in part to the outstanding Azenas line, providing drivers with true ultra-high performance. A long list of victories and numerous championship titles in a variety of motorsports disciplines are a testament to Falken's unyielding commitment to success. Yet this is nothing new for Falken tires. In 1988, Team Falken won the Mirage Cup International Series, participated in the Kenya Endurance Rally in 1991, won the Super Endurance Class 1 Series Championship in 2001, and took its first 2 Formula Drift Championships in 2010 and 2011. As a single-car entry, competing at the highest level of sports car racing in North America, Falken tires fought against the best and succeeded. Falken's most notable victories were back-to-back wins in the prestigious 10-hour endurance race, the IMSA Petit Le Mans at Road Atlanta. Internationally, Falken continues to compete at some of the highest levels of GT racing competition. In the demanding world of off-road racing, Falken Tires has scored excellent results with its Wild Peak line of tires in numerous series throughout North America, including consecutive wins in the grueling King of the Hammers Challenge and multiple first-place finishes in the annual Pikes Peak Hill Climb. Falken Tires is a renowned high-performance brand, and this has been Falken's focus since entering the North American market over 35 years ago. From early on, Falken realized that motorsports was the best way to express the brand's purpose and to showcase its tires' capabilities. Racing and winning helped validate what distinguished Falken from the competition: the determination to perform above and beyond all expectations. The footprint of Falken tires has stretched far beyond its origins in Japan, building both a poised and assertive worldwide presence through the delivery of high-quality product, bred from extensive racing experience and dedicated research and development. Logically, Falken has successfully expanded its portfolio of product, from passenger car to sports car, to performance SUV and light truck, and to the growing crossover segment. The brand has further expanded into medium trucks and buses, establishing a tradition of technological advances in every category. On the track and in the marketplace, Falken Tires continues to grow its global presence by integrating tire progression and technology with a desire to deliver exceptional product to consumers who demand it. Falken will never cease to pursue competition and excellence in the world of high performance because it serves as a real-world lab, empowering the brand to improve its product and confirming to its customers that tires based on winning translate to outstanding on-road experiences.